Shannon
isn't available right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
Good morning. We have to be out of this villa by 11, so we're gonna quickly ride our bicycles down to this cafe and get breakfast before we come back and pack. And it is, I think it's like 9:20. The weather is a lot sunnier today, and these lotus or lilies have bloomed, and they're different colors. Purple and pink. And there's a bunch of dead fireflies in the pool, or at least I think that's what they are.
With that, can I add
I have a long black and a rainbow magic. This is my farmer's omelette with smoked bacon. The capers look like they've been deep fried. This is Bell's smoothie bowl. What was it called?
I don't remember.
I don't know, but it looks good. It kind of looks like my drink. See? Okay, we're leaving the Water Lily Villa and we're heading off down the driveway. We've just moved into the next villa, which is literally down the driveway because they're all in the same block. The one that we were staying in was booked out from today, so I had to book this one. It was actually cheaper and it's bigger. This one has 3 bedrooms, it's 2-story, and the outdoor setup is a little, I like the garden of the other one better, but this one's got like a gazebo kind of thing, so if it is raining we can sit under there, or if it gets too hot we can sit under there. It's got 2 bedrooms with bathtubs, and we have a bigger storage, which I never use anyway, because if I start putting my stuff in there I will forget it and probably leave it. So this is the bathroom. It's kind of like the other one, same sinks. The toilet is behind the door here. So his and her sink, big mirror, bathtub, waterfall shower, rain shower, I don't know what you call it. And then we have a view of the pool here. Yeah, nice and spacious. This is the master suite, right next to the pool again. Kitchen, dining, it's pretty much the same setup as before. And then we have the same dining table and pretty much the same kitchen. We've already dumped all our stuff on the table. I really like the kitchens in these villas because they're not super big. They're kind of compact, but they're still spacious. They give you things like tea, sugar, and coffee, but nothing to brew the coffee in, so we probably won't use that. And then this is upstairs. And then out here we have the pool area and the outdoor shower over here. And that's pretty much it. Deck chairs are on this side. Nice pool. It's kind of the same There's the other one, it might be a bit longer. And then a little seating area outside, which I really like. And then our bathroom's in there. Adele is gonna stay in this room here. It doesn't have a bathtub, but it has a double bed. And the room above this gazebo has 2 single beds, but it has a bathtub. So he's got 2 bedrooms at this villa. Lucky him. The 2 minor bedrooms there are both outside, so you still have to go out to get to them. But there is a big balcony out here, but no seating. And we have a view of Jojo's pizza. I guess there's no seating because it's probably too hot to sit outside in Bali. This is where Adele's gonna stay. I think it's probably like the last room he stayed. So we'll be staying here for the next 3 nights before we go back to Australia. We are back in Kuta Beach and we're looking for a money exchange before we meet up with Jar's brother again. We just got a bottle of Coke, and how much was it, Adele?
50 cents.
50 cents. It's okay. We are at a Soko bar in a restaurant in Kuta. Any of them?
I don't know.
It's got elephants. Mango juice. Mine, thank you. You like that one? We're shopping for bracelets on the street. How much for these? Can you do discount?
Like this. How many what?
7.
This 7.
And this 3.
This 3. No problem. $15.
$15? So how much is one?
This $1.
Yeah, 7.
This $3 each.
13. 13,000. Is that $13? Okay. You're 13. 13. Thank you. Okay. 13. 13,000. Huh? Wait, how much? How much?
This 15 by people 130. 130.
Oh, 130. Yeah, okay. Adele's Schnitzel. The seasoning. I don't know, but it looks like the kind of thing you'd get in Italy. I don't know, like, but it has green tomatoes. The tomatoes look nice. Is it good? Try the Schnitzel. Look at his proper cutting skills. His proper cutlery skills. Looks a bit dry. Is it dry? Huh? Dry. JR ordered Nasi Goreng with prawns. I must say, JR's one does look and smell a lot more appetizing than Adele's dish. I got banana fritters for lunch because they were out of banana split somehow with strawberry and vanilla mixed ice cream. So I didn't think they would give me 4 bananas. We are going to Ubud tomorrow, so we're doing some shopping around Kuta because there are a lot of little stalls here. The weather's getting cooler, so it seems like it's gonna start raining soon. The sky's getting dark as well. It's hot, so we're getting coconut ice cream.
And then you can try 3 flavors.
Guava.
Guava.
Yeah, guava.
Sorry, for guava, no soda.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
Black charcoal?
Black chocolate.
What one do you want to try? The guava one looked nice. Coconut red wine. Look guys, they have red wine coconut ice cream. Saw this coconut ice cream shop, so we just came off the street and it's like a little garden in the waterfall right on the side of the street. They've also got some actual dishes. I got the 1 scoop of coconut ice cream with mixed fruits, and it comes in a giant coconut shell. Looks pretty cool. I really liked my coconut ice cream in the young coconut. I did not enjoy the fruit jelly. It's like the dried fruit you get in fruit cake, so it was a bit weird eating that with coconut. But they didn't take all the coconut meat out, so can't eat all this coconut meat, which I was looking forward to. And I have the hiccups. How was yours? Did you get all the meat out? I should have scraped more out because there's a lot left in there and it's thick and it was good, but I'm still satisfied. A lot of rooms. They're nice though, look. It's like a beach. It's a beach style. I think they're all adjustable too. The seahorse. Oh, there's 2 different colors here. Huh? Yeah. I just, We are back at Kuta Beach and it is windy and there's a dog taking a dump in front of us. He looks so happy now he's done it. But there is so much debris flying around everywhere and all this dirt's going in my face. They have pandan popcorn in here. I've never seen that before. And strawberry. Are you getting any of these? I thought they had garlic bread, but they have garlic butter corn. We have our pizza for dinner. There's carnivore. It's from Jojo's Pizza across the road. And Vidalcho's chicken black pepper. They also got truffle mushroom risotto. There's potato wedges. Yeah, but some kind of chicken. And I got a lychee tea. And it smelled so good in the restaurant. You guys like the box, by the way? It has lots of dogs on there. Ooh, looks like real pizza. This is my truffle risotto. Looks really nice. And the carnivore pizza.